Welcome in world of technology. Samsung Galaxy S9 review. Is Samsung's best ever smartphone worth the upgrade? Chances are, you already know all about the Samsung Galaxy S9. Leaks, rumors and educated guesses have been rampant, and there were certainly no gasps of surprise when the Galaxy S9 was finally, officially revealed at MWC 2018. Samsung Galaxy S9 review. What you need to know. The Galaxy S9 looks a lot like last year's S8, to an extent. It builds on previous successes, rather than reinventing the entire shebang. However, it features a new 12-megapixel f/1.5 rear camera, which should perform far better in low light than its predecessor, and a new Exynos 9810 processor, which promises drastically faster performance. Samsung Galaxy S9 review. Price and competition. Samsung's latest flagship isn't cheap. SIM-free, the Galaxy S9 will set you back an eye-watering £739 at launch, £60 more than the original launch price of the Galaxy S8. And at that price, the S9 faces competition from all four corners. There's Apple's iPhone 8, of course, which starts at £699, Huawei's Mate 10 Pro at £529, and Google's Pixel 2 for £629. Last year's Galaxy S8 can now be had for just £500, too, which makes it a very tempting proposition, even if it's no longer the latest and greatest phone on the market. Samsung Galaxy S9 review. Design and display. At first glance, you'll struggle to tell the S9 apart from the S8. That's no big surprise, as Samsung has a habit of coming up with flashy new designs once every few years, and only making minor tweaks in the interim. In this case, it's certainly not a bad thing. The S9 is one of the best-looking phones I've seen. The top and bottom bezels have been shaved off ever so slightly, so its screen-to-body ratio is slightly higher than the S8's. Other than that, it's the same handset we fell in love with this time last year. That means we're once again treated to a 5.8 and 18.5:9 QHD+, 2960 x 1440, display, and, since this is one of Samsung's Super AMOLED panels, it looks fantastic. AMOLED technology also delivers unbeatable contrast levels. Our colorimeter reported a perfect infinity. Along the bottom edge you'll find the same ports as on the S8 too. A solitary USB Type-C port for charging and a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the right sit a volume rocker and dedicated Bixby button on the right. The microSD and nano SIM card slot is at the top, the power button is on the right, and the whole thing is IP68 dust and water resistant. Samsung Galaxy S9 review. Performance and battery life. The real differences from the Galaxy S8 are on the inside. Like the rest of this year's flagships, the S9 features an Octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, although to be precise, UK models come equipped with Samsung's own 2.7 GHz Exynos 9810 equivalent paired with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, expandable via microSD. All this power takes its toll on the Galaxy S9's battery life. Mind. With the screen set to our standard 170 candela over meter square brightness and flight mode engaged, we were able to watch 14 hours and 23 minutes of video before battery levels fell flat, a decent score, but some 2.5 hours behind the S8. Samsung Galaxy S9 review. Camera. Superficially, the Galaxy S9's camera specs are similar to what went before. You get a single 12-megapixel sensor with dual-pixel phase detection, autofocus and optical image stabilization. As with the S8, there's no secondary 2x telephoto zoom lens on the regular-sized handset. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time on the other R videos.